What tournaments do you still run at Hustlers?
We still have our Sunday ranking tournament every Sunday. Sorry, now we've changed it. It's every second Sunday, and we have a ranking series comprised of 16 tournaments.
That is in a year, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so it'd be 32 weeks in total, and you know, we have first, second, third prize, and then all the remaining money that we get together we hold back for the ranking champions. The top 8 get paid, and they get paid quite a lot of money as well.
Who are the champions? Are they like Hustlers regulars or just random people walking in, or who are they?
No, I mean, the ranking competitors are pretty much the same people. Or every week you have 1 or 2 tourists that come in that want to play, but usually it's the same faces. But yeah, it's a really good, well-run tournament.
Is that a bit disheartening, like seeing the same people again and again, or is it like creating like a nice, warm atmosphere?
Yeah, it's a good, you know, like I say, we have a really good pool community here. There's probably a pool tournament here in Bangkok every single night, you know. So
somewhere around Bangkok.
One of the pool halls in Bangkok, there's going to be a tournament. So, you know, if you ever come here on holiday, you want to play pool, this is just pool heaven.